Integration errors on Datadog Cloud can disrupt your monitoring and alerting processes. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve these issues efficiently. Step 1. Identify the error. Check the Datadog dashboard for any error messages related to your integrations. Note the specific integration that is causing issues, as this will help you focus your troubleshooting efforts. Step 2. Review configuration settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Check network connectivity. Ensure that your network allows communication between Datadog and the services you are trying to integrate. Test connectivity by pinging the service or checking firewall settings that may block access. Step 4. Update integration packages. Make sure you are using the latest version of the integration package. Outdated packages can lead to compatibility issues, so check for updates in the Datadog documentation or your package manager. Step 5. Consult Datadog support. If the error persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Datadog support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly address integration errors in Datadog Cloud. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support resources.